Where is NKLA going next? Okay, should you buy, sell, or wait on Nikola Corporation stock? In this video, I'm going to cover everything regarding technical analysis, price predictions, forecast outlooks, all in 2 minutes time. Let's get right into the source. Okay, so 2 years ago, I was also in your position. Okay, I was trying to see whether the stock is going to go up or down. Just searching this all over the internet. I was watching all the videos on YouTube, posts, and Reddit, and Twitter. I was still not successful. I got a little lucky, but I was still in deep losses from all the different opinions that other people have told me. Like you're experiencing this. I promise you, this is not the only video that you're watching on NKLA, and this is just the reality. But let me ask you one very simple question. This is where a lot of people just screw up. What is the overall trend? What is the high time frame trend on NKLA? There's a lot of arguments to be had basically here. Right, it's definitely pretty bearish. Now we can argue that just right now we started to shift a little bit bullish and break the structure bullish, where a lot of people are going to make arguments on. I'm going to get into it in a second. I have my own arguments on NKLA, but following a simple rules of a strategy was one of the single biggest factors for the success I've had in the last 7 months. That has basically helped me accumulate hundreds and hundreds of wins following the same exact strategy rules. But keep in mind, I was trying to refine this strategy for 2 years. Okay, so following rules is the only way to be consistently profitable. There is no other way around it. Maybe you're gonna become lucky when you see other people just buy the dip and whatever. Okay, that's not the way to always be profitable. Um, Now, I hope, okay, I got this advice years earlier to save me the pain and uncertainty I was in. Okay, that being said, even if I go and check out my previous NKLA wins, you're gonna see that we have had these right here, like this win, this bearish win, and our bearish win, and bearish win. Okay, we had bullish and bearish wins. Now, what is next? So I basically said if the price, yeah, it definitely started to break the structure lower, but the the analysis was if it started to break above this high, I was going to look for potential upside moves. We never got there. Okay, so with that in mind, we're going to just look at the weekly. Weekly is still kind of bullish. We can argue that it's bullish, but this is basically just the reality. If it came into a little bit deeper into this demand area, even 73 cents still is kind of a bullish trend, but higher time frame is hypothetically still pretty bearish. So we're keeping this in mind. I'm more so following the higher time frame, which is very, very bearish, but we're just reacting off of the price action. I also made an article post on that. This is very important. Okay. So what is next? By looking at this thing, maybe just these lows to continue to get cleared, just short-term bearish moves or whatever, because we need to react if the price is going to bounce off of this area and go bullish, or the area below. But the observation here is very, very interesting. Okay, because we started to break the structure here. We're anticipating a little bearish downside moves. Then we're going to see if we want to go bullish. So hopefully that makes sense. Now the question is how to become profitable and successful as fast as possible. Okay, you pick a strategy to follow. You test it on demo. That was the second step, and the third step that you always follow your rules. This is the only way to actually succeed. NPS always follow the trend, right? This is the one thing that has helped me out a ton. And if you want to learn the strategy, my strategy for absolutely free, helping me accumulate all the wins, check out the first link in the description.